Welcome to another mind-body experience. In today's experience, we're going to do 3 exercises to help the brain and body communicate more effectively so that one can know where they're located in space a little bit smoother. I hope you enjoy. The first exercise, you're going to connect your thumb and each of your fingers rhythmically. So to start, you're going to have your hands down by your sides with the palms facing forward. Rhythmically connect the thumb to each of your fingers. So start with the index finger, then the middle finger, then the ring finger, pinky finger. Index, middle, ring, pinky. Index, middle, ring, pinky. Get into a nice rhythm. Keep that going. You want to press the finger and the thumb together just enough to squeeze the blood out of the fingertip. And keeping the rhythm going, as you inhale, you're going to shift your weight into the heels, and as you exhale, you're going to shift the weight forward into the fronts of your feet, keeping the rhythm with the hands. Inhale back to heels, exhale forward into the fronts of the feet. Inhaling back to the fronts of the heels, exhaling, shifting in towards the toes. You want to do this exercise for a minute. And if it's feeling really good, feel free to go much longer. Great work. Exercise number 2, the palms face forward beside your shoulders. Connect your index finger and thumb together, gentle squeeze. Extend the other 3 fingers straight. As you inhale, lift both arms and one knee up. Exhale, lower back down to starting position. Alternate knee, inhale, arms and knee up. Exhale, down, alternate knee, inhale, arms and knee up. You want to do a minimum of 10 repetitions to get this tuning your body up. But you want to stop before you lose good form because your nervous system always remembers the movements that you do, so do them perfectly so that you're training for future progress. Great work. Third exercise here, extend your arms up and out at a 60-degree angle towards the sky. Feet come close together. Inhale, reach up and out through the arms. Exhale, opposite elbow and knee together at midline. Inhale, reach back up and out. Exhale, opposite elbow and knee together. Alternating sides. So the inhale, you extend up. The exhale, opposite elbow and knee come together at midline. Inhale, alternate. Exhale, knee and elbow together. You want to do 10 repetitions here, and you want to stop before you lose perfect form. So go until it feels good, but stop before you lose proper form. Good work. Nice one. Thanks for checking these exercises out. I hope they feel amazing in your body. They're a phenomenal practice to get the mind and body connected so that you can better know where your nervous system is located in space so you can better interact with your environment and the people that are in it.